everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Noah, your gentle guide to real-life Japanese. Today I'm cosplaying in a stage outfit. Because we're diving into oshinoko, we've picked out some of the most impactful lines from the series. We'll explore their true meanings, dive into their cultural context, and find out if you can actually use them in daily conversations. Ready to learn some awesome Japanese? Let's go!
Uso wa tobikiri no ai nan da yo.
Lies are the ultimate form of love. This iconic lie is spoken by Ai, the idol who always hid her true feelings. For her, maintaining a perfect idol image and using lies was her unique way to protect and love her fans. This quote perfectly expresses Ai's complex way of life. In Japanese culture, there's a saying, "Uso mo hoben," which means even lies can be expedient. This reflects a nuanced idea where a lie can be an act of love, especially to protect or bring happiness. However, it's crucial to understand this within the context of the character and story. Using it literally in daily life would likely be misunderstood and might make people think you're dishonest, so be careful.
したいことをするのが人生でしょ？コストとかリターンじゃなく、やりたいが最優先。
Life is about doing what you want. This line captures Ruby's energetic and passionate spirit. She prioritizes her desires over logic, a strong will shaped by a past where she couldn't do what she wanted due to illness. This is a super motivational quote. It's perfect for encouraging someone or yourself to follow their heart and pursue their dreams without overthinking the obstacles. It radiates positivity and determination.
転ぶのを恐れたらもっと転んじゃうものなんだよ。
If you're afraid to fall, you'll fall even more. Ai gently teaches that being scared of making mistakes or facing challenges can often lead to even more stumbling blocks. It's about overcoming your fears. This sounds like classic advice a parent or teacher in Japan might give to encourage someone to be brave and learn from mistakes. It's gentle, wise, and highly encouraging, emphasizing that hesitation or fear can sometimes cause more problems than action itself. It's about moving forward despite your fears.
この言葉は絶対嘘じゃない。
This word is absolutely not a lie. In her final moments, Ai finally speaks something truly from her heart. For once, she sheds her idol mask and expresses her deepest, most genuine feelings. It's a raw and powerful moment. How this specific quote is rare in daily life, its power lies in its sincerity. You can adapt its underlying meaning when you want to show someone you truly mean what you say, especially when conveying deep emotions or making a serious promise. It emphasizes absolute truth and commitment.
あんたの推しの子になってやる。
I'll be your oshinoko. This bold and unforgettable line is Kana Arima's declaration of passion and determination. It's not just about becoming an idol, it's about dedicating herself completely to Aqua, a truly iconic moment. This is a fantastic line for anime and idol fans. You can use it playfully when you want to show someone how much you admire them or dedicate yourself to something. Almost like saying, "I'm your biggest fan," or "I'm going to totally support you." It's a fun and memorable way to express devotion. And that's our deep dive into Oshinoko's most memorable quotes. We hope you not only understood their meanings, but also grasped a bit of Japanese culture and how these phrases might or might not fit into your daily conversations. What was your favorite quote from today's lesson, and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Japanese lessons. See you next time.